Hi friends! Father's Day is just around the corner, and in today's video I will show you quick DIYs of how you can do some nice presents for your husband, for the fathers of your children, or for your own father and for the grandfather of your children. First, I will show you how I made these beautiful pictures, so let's get started. All you need to start this project is any kind of heart shape. It can be from wood or from metal, it doesn't really matter. I used a heart shape that we had previously bought from Michaels, and also you need a chalkboard and of course your child or your children. We did this project for my father-in-law, for the grandfather of my children, and it says Dede because this is grandfather in Turkish. He's from Turkey. So what you want to do is you want to take pictures of your children holding the chalkboard just like that. You don't have to have any letter inside because we're going to be doing the letter just in a little bit. So after you're done taking pictures of the children with the chalkboard and the heart shape, what you want to do is you want to upload the pictures to the computer, and with Photoshop you want to add letters to make whatever word you wish. I did Dede, D-E-D-E, because this is grandfather in Turkish. So this is how the final product looks like, and actually after that I just placed an order for 1 hour photo prints in Target, and my husband went to pick them up, and he also bought these 2 frames so my father-in-law can use the pictures in his house and in his summer house as well. I know that not everyone likes Photoshop or not everyone wants to deal with it, so now the second project will be even easier than this, so let's get started. This is a project that me and my older son Murat did approximately 2 years ago, and it was so much fun for both of us. All you need for this project is wooden platters. You can find them in Michaels or Walmart, any craft store really. And also you need paint and a paintbrush. What you want to do is first you want to paint the letters whatever color you choose, or you can let your child do that if he is age appropriate. Once you're done painting the letters, you let them dry for approximately 4 to 5 hours. That is what we did. And also we added this beautiful heart shape that we bought from Michaels as well. It was already painted, so we just added it with the hot glue, and it looks very cute overall in the end. The heart shape is not necessary, so that is why I didn't add it in the beginning, but if you wish you can do so. Next, you take your child in the park or wherever you wish, and you just take pictures with him or her holding the letters. In the end, I just printed the pictures and I bought this frame. I think it was from Target or Walmart, and I bought a frame with 3 different spots so it can fit the letters G-A-D, and it looks so beautiful. My husband was very excited to receive this present, and it was very personal because my little boy did it for him. Now this last craft I think is the easiest. I just bought a kit from Michaels, and there was like paint inside, a cup and a paintbrush, and what we did is we just painted my little one's hand, and we stamped it on the cup, and we wrote I love Daddy, and after that we placed it in the oven according the instructions in the package that it came with. That's everything for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you will make some of these projects for your own husband or a father. And if you liked it, please don't forget to share and like the video, and also don't forget to enter all of the giveaways that I have going on my channel right now. And I'll see you very soon, guys. Happy Father's Day. Bye.